Hey everyone, are you struggling with long articles or research papers? Today, let me show you how to use the Lumio AI for effortless research summaries. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Lumio AI. Then here, click the official Lumio AI link and wait for the page to load. And here in the main page, you'll see a button that says Try Lumio AI and click it to start. Then here you'll see a prompt box. Type what you want the Lumio AI to do, like this example prompt here. Then after done typing your prompt, Lumio AI will instantly generate a summary. If you want it shorter or longer, just type or enter your idea and adjust your prompt. Then here copy the summary or save it directly to your notes, presentations, or reports. And that's it. With Lumio AI, you can summarize research effortlessly and save hours of work. Try it to your next project and make studying easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.